Hello guys, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. So this is for Water Sign Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Take only what resonates. Bali hindi ito mag-resonate sa lahat kasi hindi naman po talaga natin makuha lahat ng energy ng water sign. But meron din po pala tayong special channel for Water Sign Philippines. Please do check it out. Okay, let's start the reading. Meron, guys, i-promote ko lang. Meron na akong available na tarot reading, personal tarot reading, and or astrological reading. Pwede kang mamili alin doon sa dalawa. And then you can ask at least 3 questions. Doon mo siya ma-avail, naka-promo pa siya doon sa aking TikTok shop. Limited lang guys, at least, as in parang nasa 7 lang yung available. So, sana makauna ka. Yan. Sa TikTok shop ko yun guys. If you want na magpa-personal reading sa akin. Pero kung hindi ka makakaabot, meron pa rin naman tayo kay Jing Tarot Reader. Siya na lang yung i-search mo. Okay. And yung marami doon is yung astrological reading. Pwede ka mag-inquire. The Lovers is here. Ayan. This is your main energy. The Villain. 6 of Flutes. And the Producer. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the Rose Ceremony. Okay. 5 of Mirrors is also here. I feel like the Lovers is here. You could be in a relationship wherein feeling mo nagamit ka. You're not happy. Yan lang. Sabihin na natin with the 6 of Flutes wherein ang picture is butterfly. Maaaring una nakitaan mo ng ganda kung ano man itong relasyon, yung connection nito. With the Producer, I feel like unti-unti mong na-realize kung ano ka. No, kung ano tong relationship na to, kung ano tong connection na to, na parang nagamit. In a way, parang feeling mo nagamit ka. Ganon. And with the 5 of Mirrors, you want this thing to change. Pero mahirap, lalo na kung marami ng taong involved. Kasi maaaring may mga magagalit, may mga hindi matuwa, no? Or masaktan, no? And might be natatakot. Part of you is natatakot na gumawa ng any movement na makakapagpa shock or hindi matutuwa yung mga taong ibang involved dito sa connection na to. Like, some of you, nililimitahan mo ngayon yung mga sarili mo sa mga bagay na gusto mo talagang gawin, and medyo may pag-iingat because, yun nga, natatakot ka or either ayaw mong magalit. But part of you, alam mo na, parang nakikita mo na kung ano yung sitwasyon mo, and hindi ka masaya doon sa situation mo ngayon. So, pagdating sa love, sino tong person na kakonect mo? For water sign, please. For water sign, please. Sino tong person na kakonect ni water sign? Dito after the 7 of Flutes, yan, opening up. 10 of Flutes, and this is the proposal. Page of Flutes, the daydreamer. So, the Page of Flutes is showing to me as child or children. So, I don't know kung may anak ka ba dito sa taong to. Or may children na involved. The 7 of Flutes, I feel like gusto mo nang i-cut off itong person na to. Kasi gusto mong maging open. Maybe maging open sa opportunities, open sa some of you, this is other people or new person para ma-accept mo yung 10 of Flutes, maybe a very beautiful proposal. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng may ibang person na nagpapakita ng gilas sa'yo or nag-o-offer sa'yo ng something, and you really want to accept this. The Page of Floats is here, so maaaring nakikita mo yung energy din na parang ito yung gusto mong i-accept, ito yung gusto mo. Pero hindi mo magawa ng paraan na ma-accept ito because might be this person is parang kailangan pang i-cut off. And nandun na yung kagustuhan mong i-cut off ito. But some of you pwedeng may mga promises, no, na naging involved dito. The Seven of Mirrors is here for the wrong reason, pero yung iba sa inyo, this could be the wrong person. You feel like you are currently in a relationship with the wrong person. Okay? Maaaring nararamdaman mo yung feeling na hindi siya ang gusto ko or hindi siya yung para sa akin. The Four of Mirror is here. So, nakakita tayo dito ng mga pressure, like, maybe you do have here the number 16, sent home. So, I feel like gusto mo ng umuwi or gusto mo ng, let's say, a person na you feel like this is your home. Itong person na to, komportable ka dito, pakiramdam mo, siya yung home mo. And, you could be dealing with a soulmate, some of you. So, you want to be with your soulmate, some of you twin flame kasi nakita ko ng mga mirrors. So, this could be a twin flame connection. So, gusto mong maging umuwi na or magkaroon ng connection with that person. Pero might be the Seven of Floats, ito yung nagiging problem sa connection ninyo. And nandun na yung galit mo, yung inis mo. Let's talk about the emotions na nararamdaman niyo para sa isa't isa. Spirit guys, angel guys. Guys, hindi ko alam kung makaka-relate ka. Pwedeng hindi. Huwag ipilit. Emotions na nararamdaman ninyo para sa isa't isa. So, you do have here the Five of Floats. This is your emotion. I fuck up. Yan. The Host. And you do have here the Moon. Yan. I feel like some of you medyo lumakas na yung iyong spiritual knowledge or medyo naging mas spiritual ka na tao. So, might be, alam mo na yung mga ginawa mo, mga naging decision mo na nakasira lalo sa spiritual connection ninyo ng taong ito. So, might be you're dealing with someone na feeling mo soulmate or maybe twin flame, ganun. The Paradise is here. Okay. And the Leap of Faith, Knight of Flutes, and the Cocktail Party. Yeah, some of you, there's 3 persons or 3 people na involved dito or maybe even more. Yan. The moment I saw this Five of Floats or I fuck up card, nakikita natin na pwedeng na-realize mo talaga sa sarili mo na nagkamali ka. So, okay, sabihin na natin galit ka dito sa person na ito. Pero part of you, mali mo rin. Kasi bakit mo tinanggap? Bakit mo in-accept? Bakit ka naniwala? Diba? Even though alam mo yung situation is mali or may pagsisinungaling or what, yung iba may pagsisinungaling na ginawa, pero naniwala ka, tinanggap mo pa rin. The Host is here. Hindi ka masyado nag-isip. Maybe masyado ka nagmadali. And the way I see this, parang sabihin na natin gusto mo rin naman kung ano yung mga meron ka ngayon. Kasi, hindi mo rin naman ma-accomplish yung mga bagay na yan kung hindi rin naman dahil dito sa taon to. But, in your head, part of you is may pagsisisi. Okay? And then, you do have your, I can see 888 or 4 na 8, 3 8, 3 to 4 8s, 8. That's an angel number, by the way. And, actually, the number 8, it is showing to me as the 8th house in astrology. So, yung 8th house is where the spiritual house is, no? So, pwedeng nag-open up lalo yung kaisipan mo regarding sa connection ninyo dahil sa might be some of your planets are in the 8th house. So, pagka ganoon, pwedeng nabubuksan yung spiritual knowledge, ganoon, and pwedeng, yung iba, may mga spiritual kang na-discover recently, astrology, tarot, yung iba kaka-follow lang sa akin, kaka-subscribe, yan, kasi na-realize nila, ay, may tarot pala, ganito, ganyan. Pwedeng na-discover mo yung tarots sa YouTube or maybe nagtatry ka rin mag-read ng tarots. I don't know, something to do with with occult science and yung mga spiritual na kaalaman. So anyway, because naging mas spiritual ka ngayon or may mga nalaman kang bagay spiritually, mas napapatunayan mo sa sarili mo na itong taong to, hindi talaga to para sa'yo. No? And the paradise is here. So, minsan ka na niyang naging masaya or napasaya. At naging masaya ka rin naman sa kanya. Of course. Pero katulad nga ng isang bakasyon, let's say that this person is your bakasyon. No? Pero, kahit ano pang ganda niyang bakasyon na yan, you will always want to go home eh. 'Di ba? Yung home could be the other person. Sabihin na natin na nararamdaman mo yung spiritual connection mo dito sa taong to. So okay, napasaya ka nitong taong to, pero gugustuhin mo pa rin na umuwi doon sa person na yun. Hindi ko I don't know if nagigets mo to, guys, ha. Kasi if you are dealing with a soulmate or your twin flame, some of you ganun, parang yun yung home mo. And then maaaring napunta ka dito sa isang tao na ito, pero might be may mga natutunan ka doon sa taong ito, may mga na-experience ka, ganyan, na maaaring nakapagpasaya sa'yo. Pero syempre, parang gugustuhin mo pa rin laging umuwi. Diba? Yung bakasyon saglitan lang, pero nandun pa rin yung feeling na parang gusto mo pa rin doon sa hinahanap ng soul mo. You do have your 8 of roses, yan. This person, ang emotions niya para sa'yo, there's this feeling na parang itong part na ito, parang ito na yung si soulmate eh. Kasi I can see 2 to 3 people talaga. And, yan. Itong person na to, this is the soulmate. This is the person na lumalabas na, I'm here. I feel like yung person na to, willing siya mag-take ng risk. Hindi siya takot. And this time, this person wants a romantic relationship or connection with you. Hindi lang yung basta connection na wala lang. No? The cocktail party is here. So, I feel like both of you, pag once na magkausap kayo, there's stories between the two of you na mapapag-usapan. Dahil marami kang gustong ikwento sa kanya or sabihin sa kanya, and then marami din naman siyang gustong sabihin sa'yo. Okay, so, what will happen in the near future for you? Okay, you do have here the number 16, which is sent home, to be continued, and you do have your page of mirrors. Ace of mirrors is here. The single dad, which is the king of flutes, and 2 of flutes is here. Okay. Actually, ito ngayon lang actually, sa tagal kong ginamit itong deck na ito. Hindi sa reading na sa YouTube, but anyway, ngayon ko lang nakita itong card na the Limo. So, this is a very rare opportunity. Queen of Rings, have a fun day, love, says the single mom. If you would see, meron tayo ditong the single dad and the single mom. And I can see the 2 of flutes in between. So some of you, there's a single mom and a single dad na possible na magkaroon ng connection or relationship in the near future. Pwedeng literal na may mga anak. Okay? Pwedeng ikaw, if you have a children, pwede ka maging single mom, and then yung person mo could be a single dad, and then you two will meet in the near future. There's the Ace of Flutes. Yung iba sasabihin, actually, I'm not pro divorce. Hindi ako pro dyan eh. Pero, upon learning astrology and tarot readings, and I'm also an empath. So, nararamdaman ko talaga yung emotions and feelings ng isang tao. And, doon ko na realize and na feel na parang maiksi lang kasi buhay. Diba? And, if you will stay in a relationship, in a connection, parang hindi ka masaya. Dahil ipipilit mo kasi dahil sa mga anak. Parang sayang yung buhay mo. Diba? Sayang kasi, diba, hindi mo na-enjoy. You are with a person na parang hindi ka naman talaga happy. And sabihin na natin, sige, kaligayahan din ng mga anak. Pero time will come, yung mga anak kasi lalaki, magkakaroon ng sarili nilang buhay. And they would understand. Diba? Kung halimbawa aalis ka sa isang relationship, sa isang connection, especially if it's a toxic one, mas maiintindihan nila kung ba't ka umalis. And then time will come, lalaki sila, magkakaroon din silang sarili nilang family. So, ang ending, ikaw maiiwan, di ba? Maiiwan. So, kung mag-i-stay ka sa isang relationship dahil sa mga anak, paano ka na? Di ba? Parang ganun. Paano na pag mag-end lang yung buhay mo na parang ang dami na sayang. No? But it's not yet the, end of the world. No? Nandito ko pa sa time na you can still change your destiny. And the way I see this, in the near future, some of you, may possibility na ikaw ay maging masaya with another relationship, with another connection. No? And the Ace of Mirrors, this is like fresh meat. And fresh, yan lahat ang gusto natin. Fresh is something na, the Ace is start. So, there's a fresh start for you in the near future. And then, guys, the Ace of Flutes is here, first kiss. So, there's a new beginning for you pagdating sa love, a beautiful romantic connection. And the limo is here. This is actually a rare kind of thing. Limo, yung limousine. I don't know about you guys, pero dito sa Pilipinas, madalang ka talaga makakita nito. Baka yung iba pa nga, hindi pa nakakakita. So, ng real life, no? Lahat sa TV. So, there's a rare situation sa'yo, rare connection. So, yung iba pwedeng mabalik ka or magkaroon kayo ng pagkakatuluyan ng soulmate or twin flame mo na akala mo imposible pang mangyari, imposibleng mangyari, pero time will come, mangyayari ito para sa'yo. Because you do have your sent home. Kanina ko pa binabanggit yung story about home, diba? And when you say sent home, talagang yung universe na yung magpapauwi sa'yo, yung siya na yung magdadala sa'yo sa taong dapat para sa'yo. And you do have your to be continued. And the Page of Mirrors, I mean, you don't need to focus on this. Of course, pag-uusapan. Of course, maraming magiging chismoso. The gossip is here. So, maraming makikiusisa, pag-uusapan, chismis, may mga makikialam. Pero, you don't need to mind them. Kung ano yung makakapagpasaya sa'yo, sa inyo, doon ka na lang. Okay? And, time will come. Ang una lang naman nilang pagchichismisan is what you did or what happened, etc. Yun lang naman yung pag-iuusapan nila. Pero time will come, ang pag-uusapan na nila, tama lang pala talaga na napunta siya sa iba. Ayan, kasi might be, ito na rin, sila na rin na makakita kung ano talaga yung connection na meron ka doon sa person na talagang naramdaman mo yung spiritual connection ninyo. Okay? So, I really do like the reading, guys. Kasi, yan, especially this is the Knight of Roses. Can you see a person na nakakarating dun sa finish line and naramdaman niya yung fulfillment and everything. That's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Please do like and subscribe, guys. And meron tayong Water Sign Philippines na channel. Please do check it out. And again, if you want a personal reading, astrological or tarot reading, meron tayo niyan doon sa aking TikTok shop. I-check mo na lang. Limited lang, guys, yun. Pag hindi ka nakaabot, siguro sa next na lang ulit na magkaroon ako. And, yeah, feel free to follow Unicorn Princess Tarot doon sa aking TikTok shop. Ayan. I-end ko na lang po ang reading dito. Maraming salamat po.